God created the world and us, and he made us special by giving us souls. But when we were created, like children, our souls were immature. It is living in the world that makes us mature. We become better people, but we learn from mistakes and challenges. In a perfect world, we would never mature or develop into good people. God made us in his image, but we can grow in his likeness. If we do well at this, we can go to heaven. God didn't create us perfect, just as babies aren't born ready for solid food. Solid food would make an immature body unwell, and perfect goodness would not be accepted by an immature soul.